All right, so let's extend a little bit here and let's talk about a cylinder. We've talked about volumes of prisms where the bases are polygons, but we can't, it doesn't quite apply to a cylinder because obviously a circle is not a polygon. So we still need a method for finding the volume, and we're going to use a very similar method. But let's just picture this very quickly. If we were to take apart a cylinder, obviously we would have two circles at the top and bottom of the bases. But now we have to think about what would happen if we actually were to take and split that and fold it out. And what we'd end up getting is a rectangle in the middle of our cylinder, and we kind of fold it around. Think about a piece of paper. If you were to take two ends of a piece of paper and bend them to make them meet, you'd make a cylinder where the top and the bottom were open. So a cylinder is really made up of two circles and a rectangle. So we're going to use the same method here to find the volume of a cylinder. We're still going to take area of the base times the height. We just need to figure out what are those different things. So we should remember the area of a circle is found by taking pi times the radius squared. So let's say here that you need the radius. Let's say here that the radius of this circle is 4. So we remember that pi is equal to 3.14. So in this case, we have 3.14 times 4 squared, and we know 4 squared is 16. So 3.14 times 16 is going to give me approximately 50.24, and we don't have anything specified, so units squared in this case. So we know right away that the area of the base is 50.24. Well, now we need to figure out what is the height of this going to be. And typically, it's going to be given to you, or it is something that you could somehow measure. So let's say in this case, the height is 9. So all I need to do in this case now is take 50.24, multiply that by 9, and I see that my volume is going to be 452.16 units cubed. And that would be my final answer. So cylinders are the same way, area of the base times the height. We just have to remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared.